Turfworks. So we did this sod installation a few weeks ago. Every time we do a sod installation, we do typically it's a 3-day quality check where we come back, take a look at the grass. And we usually do another one at 3 weeks. The reason we do, especially that first initial one, is it turns us on to problems that could occur like this one, or like this one up here, to where the grass didn't, we noticed the grass wasn't taking, whereas the rest of the grass is obviously green and looks great. When we run into these situations, sometimes it's obvious that those areas are going to need replaced immediately. Sometimes it's not so obvious, because sometimes you can have areas like this where the grass is growing in, but the sod itself, most of the sod died off, but it still has good roots that are starting to establish. And with Bermuda and some of the zoysias, that can happen in a matter of a few weeks, so it's not really worth replacing and risking that same thing happening over again. But in this situation, we seen this was occurring. We made a note of it on the account, and we waited a few weeks to see what was going to actually happen with the job, and these areas didn't take, so we are up here with some new Bermuda, and we're going to patch this in. I'm sure they'll be nice and happy for it, but so when there's an issue like this, we're going to be there to help.